Hey, it's Stu Sterling here over in Japan, and thanks for checking out this video. Today I'm reviewing Instant Social Profits 2.0 from David Fearon. Now, I've known David since earlier in the year when I bought one of his other courses earlier in the year, and this guy really over-delivers, first of all, and he really knows his stuff. He's a real genuine guy, good marketer, good laugh. We have good chats on Facebook as well. But this is his new course, and it's really cool. Great value. He goes over everything about how to create a Facebook group and how to monetize it, how to build just a massive authoritative group that lets you become the authority figure and the expert in whatever niche that you choose. Okay, he goes through all the training that you need, straight from the very first step. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can follow his step-by-step videos to learn how to create your own thriving group that you can make an income from. So this is the sales page for the Instant Social Profits. So you can click over and read the sales page as well. But a couple of the points, complete newbies are making XYZ money per day using this weird free traffic system. Well, the traffic system is Facebook groups, but a couple of these bullet points really sum it up. The easiest method, yeah, it's pretty easy. I mean, to set up a Facebook group, you don't need your own website. Okay, Facebook is all free to use, and it's really easy to set up a group. However, saying that it's easy to run a Facebook group, I wouldn't say that it's just set and forget. You do have to spend a lot of time in your group, managing your group, keeping them not occupied, but keeping them engaged. It takes a lot of time, so just be aware of that. It's not an easy set and forget method. Free traffic, yes. If you've got a audience of eager, engaged people, you can get traffic to any link that you want. Newbie friendly, yeah, I would say that it is totally doable for newbies. Zero cost startup, yeah, like I said, you don't need a website. You can use Facebook group, which is totally free. Takes minutes to set up, sure, but yeah, it's it won't be set and forget. Easy step-by-step training. Yep, David has great training, show you all the steps that you need, and in a minute I'll show you inside the training area, because David was kind enough to give me review access to the front end training course, which is a MAMMOTH course, and to get all of this training for, I think it's $10. It's a really insane offer that he's doing. And I should remind you that he's only opening this course up for this 7-day period. After the 7 days, he's going to close down this offer. What will happen to the course in the future, I'm not quite sure. He might release it at a higher price point. He might never release it again. So this is a short window of opportunity that you have to get a really good course. Overnight guru, yeah, I mean, if you want to make any money, and be, place yourself and make yourself an authority figure, being, the owner or a leader of a Facebook group is, an easy way to get that authority pretty much instantly, okay? And you can scale it, make money from anywhere. I mean, yeah, but it will take work. I'm not trying to tell you that this is an easy set and forget kind of method. Facebook groups do take a lot of work, and if you can commit 30 minutes to an hour a day, it does need daily upkeep, I would say. I've never actually run a Facebook group myself. I would love to, but I just know that the time commitment is necessary, and it's something that I'm not. I don't have that kind of time in my day. My day is already flat out, but I know that Facebook groups are a huge opportunity right now for building an audience online, and this course will show you exactly how to do it. So let's go and have a look inside on the download page and the training course page that David has for you and the other customers. So he has just 19 modules in total and bonus content. Okay, so he's split them up. Um, just a lot and a lot of training, right from the very first steps, choosing a niche, setting up your group, all the way to building your group, getting traffic, turning them into customers. Um, free traffic, lots of free traffic training. What to sell to your group, okay? Um, content for cash, driving engagement, and driving sales. Okay, so it's really a course on how to build a group and how to turn it into a money-making exercise, and have your group love you for it. It's David runs a group, and he's very good at what he does, because he doesn't he engages like a normal person. He's not just in there um, spamming people with ads. He's actually there providing value and helping people out. Um, and that's what he teaches you how to do. He's not here telling you how to build a group so you can just go out and spam it, but his um, teaching you how to build a group that will become an asset to you, even though a Facebook group is Facebook's property. It's still like an asset that you can leverage for as long as you can have it. Now, if you're building a Facebook group, I highly recommend you do other things as well. Don't only do a Facebook group, but you've got to capture that audience as well into something that you own. So you want to get those group members onto your email list, as fast as possible. So you're building your Facebook group and you're building your email list at the same time. Because what happens if your Facebook group gets banned or closed down for no reason by Facebook? Then you've basically got nothing. So that's something else that David also teaches you how to do. The best ways to get get those group people on your list. Getting people to buy. That's what would be better. So everything is here for you to go and kick butt with Facebook groups. So like I said, this is a 7-day only sale. I don't know what will happen after the 7 days, but I know it won't be available. So highly recommend you grab Instant Social Profits 2.0. David Fearon is one of the genuine guys there who really is there to help people succeed. He gets my 2 thumbs up, so check it out. Use the link under this video to pick up your copy, and I'll be speaking to you soon. Thanks for watching. This is Stu Sterling.